The National Assembly for Wales Apprenticeship Scheme endeavours to make a difference to the lives of young people across Wales. The apprenticeship scheme offers a learning-based training programme which involves candidates gaining an NQF qualification, specific work-based competencies and general administrative skills. Coaching and mentoring will also be provided to help initiate candidates into a working environment and help prepare applicants for life in a working office. The young people of Wales want success. We at the National Assembly for Wales believe in giving young people opportunities.
Young people today and the apprentices that we hope to work with, those young people, whatever their particular abilities and skills and attributes, they are the workforce of tomorrow.
The deadline for applications is the 8th of November. The application will be skills and aptitude based, and the Assembly will look for the potential in candidates, as well as their general attitude and commitment.
Well, I think the apprenticeship scheme is a good opportunity for young people in the sense that it's looking to pick up on young people who have potential and skills, but take it that next step forward. So for me, this opportunity, amongst others which I hope would be created, they create that space for young people who have skills and potential, but don't necessarily have enough of it. So this will create an opportunity for them to, in-house, develop their potential, earn and learn.
The National Assembly for Wales Apprenticeship Scheme seeks to go beyond the apprenticeship definition by encouraging applicants to discover the opportunities available to them in the workplace and to finally become all they had hoped to be. The National Assembly for Wales Apprenticeship Scheme. Discover, learn, become.